Hi, I'm Miss Owens, and this is Riley, and I'm hoping that you are having a great summer, and I'm doing a science experiment today that will include things that you can find in your laundry room: vinegar and baking soda, along with a soda bottle or a water bottle, and a simple balloon. Okay, all you do for this experiment is you fill your water bottle or soda bottle about a third of the way with vinegar, which I've already done to make it easier. And you put 2 or 3 tablespoons of baking soda into the balloon. And then stretch the balloon over the top of the water bottle. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to allow you to make a chemical reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda. Go ahead. And it's going to blow up the balloon without using your mouth. It's a lot of fun to incorporate science in everyday objects. It's as simple as that. I hope everybody has a great summer. Keep fun learning.